everybody, hi, welcome. So happy you stopped by to hang out with me and my furry sidekicks. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Xena. Wyatt is the white puppy dog on Bug Patrol, where he tends to spend all of his outside time. If you are returning, a huge thank you for hanging out with us. I hope you hit that subscribe. For today, I have a Decocrated box for you. Hey buddy, you excited about this one? This is the fall box. So for those of you who cannot wait for fall to hit, you are going to love this one. So Decocrated is a home decor subscription box. This is, you get a box that will bring you 6 to 8 home decor items straight to your door each and every season. It is $89.99 a season. They also have add-on boxes. So those are seasonal, I should say holiday boxes. They're more holiday boxes. They have a Easter, Thanksgiving, Halloween, and patriotic boxes as well that you can get as an add-on box, but you do have to be a member or a subscriber. All right, so this is the fall box, and we're gonna dig right in. Here's what I see when I open it. And it says, welcome to fall. The leaves are changing. Say hello to fall. We designed a versatile collection to bring the autumn color palette into your home this season. Create the perfect tablescape, mantle, or entryway. The choice is yours. The Decocrated team. All right. I do love that whenever you get the Decocrated collections, they are incredibly cohesive. They tend to go well with previous seasons. They usually have a couple items that are seasonal, but many that are items that you can keep out season over season as well. So you always get a pamphlet that will tell you about the items inside your box. What are you doing, buddy? You always get art. Here's the one for fall that goes into the frame that you would have received in a prior box. So this one says, gather here with grateful hearts on this side. And look at the floral design on the other side. So there's always a two-sided graphic. That's beautiful. All right. I got some stickers. Board vibes only. That's cute. So there's stickers here. And then I also have my pamphlet. All right. Let's dig in. So right inside the little pamphlet that tells you about the items, there's a thank you, and it says, our goal is to make home decorating fun, easy, and creative. We spent months perfecting your box and hope you love it as much as we do. Every box is curated to fit a multitude of home styles and versatile to fit many spaces in your home. So our style guide is professionally crafted to provide design and placement suggestions for all the items included in your box. We call it Decocrating. In addition to the items in the box, we have incorporated our members-only home decor shop items to round out the style assortment. So there is a members-only shop that once you are a subscriber, you can shop. You typically get discounts there as well. All right, first up. This is cute. Okay, so this is the framed sign. It says autumn in the middle. It is does sit back a little bit with the wood frame. They do have a hook in the back, but I think it's wide enough that it could also sit on its own. And it has writing in the back. So it says cider cold, festival, flannel, cranberry, climate, acorn, apples, aroma, haystack, corduroys, feast. Let's see. Leaves, logs, football, frost, crunchy, delicious, earthy, enchanting, bountiful, breezy, bright, brilliant, brisk, brown, candy, squash, squirrel, potato. And there's a few words right behind the autumn I'm not catching. All right, so it says the frame sign is an easy way to bring the new season into your home by changing out signs and framed pictures. Our framed autumn sign is the perfect piece to place on a mantle or hang from a wood wall arch. From our members only shop, framed in light natural wood, the autumn sign is easy to mix with other staples from your home decor piece. And here's how they do it. You okay with that there, Zay? Here's a cut, like the framed arch, and they also have the greenery. That looks really nice. I like that. All right, what's next? All right, next is something seasonal. This says Happy Halloween on one side and Hello Pumpkin on the other. I like that. This is called the Customized Seasonal Bundles. Decisions are hard, especially when deciding which piece is your favorite. This season, we are offering a seasonal bundle customization option. You get to decide what goes in your box. Option 1 comes with an orange pumpkin and phrase sweater weather, and I'll show you that. And option 2 comes with a natural wood pumpkin and saying Hello Pumpkin. Which did you choose? So I have the Hello Pumpkin. So that is adorable. And here's what the sweater weather one looks like. Very cute. That was option 1. And I like how they have them with the candle holders. Very cute. All right, let's keep going. Oh, and the bundle also comes with the this little piece as well. So if you see that in the pictures, it comes with both of them. So here it is, there and there, with a little plaid on it. So the little pumpkin. So that's super cute. And they have this, they have this sitting on the base of the bird cage. So the base from the bird cage from the spring collection. So I like that. I love how they'll mix and match all of the season's boxes, pieces from the different boxes. All right, I have more. Next we have greenery. So this is the fall garland. It says bring a natural element to your space this fall from our faux eucalyptus garland. This timeless piece is 73 inches long, perfect for adding to a mirror, entryway, or table runner, decorate a room that will allow others to enjoy the simplicity of the garland. So this is a really nice length. You can wrap it around. You could even add it to around the sign if you wanted to, or like they said, put it along a mantle. But it is a nice around a door. This is a nice length. Has little hooks on the end so that you can hook it to something to keep it into place. What do you think, Wyatt? Would look nice decorated with the bundle set. So I like that. What do you think, Zay? We'll put it right here. What do you think? Huh? All right, I have more stuff. Let's see what's in here. Here's a picture, the art print that I showed you in the beginning. So here's a picture of that frame that it goes into, and you can reverse it. And it says about the art print, it says a new season calls for a new double-sided art print. This season's art print has one side displaying botanicals and a fall color palette, while the second side has the words "Gather here" and "Grateful Hearts." Grab your close friends and family and gather around for a fun, cozy fall season. So that's just this way. Love that. All right, so next up, I have a 3-pillar candle holder. Let me see if I'm going to get this out to show it to you. Okay, the 3-pillar candle holder is next. Some assembly was required. I was able to figure it out without instructions and just put it together in about 2 minutes. So super easy. This says, add a touch of light to your tablescape this fall with our metal 3-pillar candle holder. Not only will this piece provide a sense of warmth and calmness to your place, but it will uplift any room. The metal candle holder comes in a clean, black, modern farmhouse finish and holds 3-pillar candles. How will you be styling yours? So I do like this little tiered set. And I think that you could put different colored candles, or you could go with regular candle. You don't have to use a candle. You could decorate with a different something else if you wanted to. This is super nice. Here's what they did with it. I like how they did the orange candles, but I also like the white as well. And then of course with the greenery, they used, looks like garland of some sort down here. Very nice. And I have one more item. Let's see what's in here. What do you think, Wyatt? Let's see what this is. Something else that might require assembly. All right, so this is the 2-tiered tray. So I'm showing you a picture of it, and I like how they have it like decorated with the pieces inside this box. Here's another example, but here's what I'm looking at right now. So I'm going to put this together, see how long it takes, because I think this is going to be a quick and easy process, but I'm not going to make you watch me, and I will be right back. All right, so that one probably took under 60 seconds. Look how adorable this is. Love it. I love a tiered tray. This is always awesome for serving, for leaving out, for using to decorate, and I think it's just such a fantastic way to, I think I did mine crooked. I'm showing it to you and I'm like, do I have this crooked? But I think it's such a great way to showcase anything from food to your decor. So I always love when they send I think I did better that time, to showcase any of your items. So love that. Here's what it looks like. Super easy. I just had to put in the taller bar and then the smaller one on top. It does have the protective coated bottom pieces, so to put onto any of your surfaces. And that is all of my pieces. What did you think? I think I might just have to double check, because I did this really quickly to share with you to make sure I do not have mine lopsided, because the way I'm showing it to you, I feel like it's lopsided, but when I look at it, it looks perfectly fine. Might just be how I'm holding it. All right, what did you think? I think this was so much fun. They tell you about it. It says, get ready to host the perfect fall brunch with our 2-tiered tray. This tray is metal and comes in a clean black farmhouse finish. Style the tray with drinks, snacks, and little acorns to add a sense of autumn. Here's to all the fun and cozy brunches to come. I do like with the drinks. And that's everything in this box. Love the garland here. They show it around this mirror. That looks really nice. And let's see, the members shop, they have all kinds of items that you can purchase to add. So here's where they talk about the shop. And they have all kinds of additional pieces that you can add. Here's that bird cage I was telling you about from spring, and then the base was used to show you how to decorate with these pieces that I showed you in an earlier picture. I love that item. This was from an earlier box. I love that. I think I still have it out. Pumpkin from an earlier box. So, and they also will share all kinds of ideas of how to decorate with your pieces. They have a Facebook group, lots of different ways to decorate. I do have a discount code for you, of course. If you use my code LBOH15, you will get 15% off your subscription. You can sign up month by month, which is $89.99. If you do choose to do a full year, it will drop the price down to $75 a box, or $2.99 for the full year. All right, that is a wrap. What did you think? I loved it. So I love that you have the candle holder, this fun little tiered tray, the little set, as well as my garland, which is always fun to decorate with, and I'm always looking for greenery, it feels like, and in my art, as well as my framed wall art. So I have the little graphic, as well as the framed art. Comment down below, let me know what your piece was. Let me know what you thought of the fall collection. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more. Hope you hang out with me. Hit that subscribe so I can continue to create videos for you, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.